In 2010, someone bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin.
Yes, the Bitcoin transaction is confirmed. Time to celebrate with this pizza.
Today, that pizza would be worth over $600 million. This is not a movie story. This is real life, and it all starts with something called cryptocurrency. Most people hear words like crypto, Bitcoin, blockchain, and instantly feel confused, scared, or skeptical. But what if I told you, crypto isn't complicated? It's just a new system of money, built for the internet age. Today, I'll explain crypto in the simplest way possible, with real stories. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money that exists only on the internet. It is not printed like cash and not controlled by banks or governments, not paper. Not coins, not bank money, not government money. It's internet money. Just like email replaced letters, Netflix replaced DVDs, Uber replaced taxis, crypto is trying to replace traditional money systems. No banks, no middlemen, no borders, no closing hours. People don't trust crypto because of influencers. They trust it because of blockchain technology. Now the question is, what is blockchain? Imagine a notebook that the whole world can see. Every transaction is written inside it. No one can erase it. No one can edit it. No one can fake it. That notebook is called blockchain. Blockchain is a public digital record system where every transaction is stored, every transfer is verified, every record is permanent. This is why people trust crypto, not because of a company, but because of math, code, and transparency. Now the question is, who created crypto? In 2008, during the global financial crisis, when banks were collapsing and people were losing homes, a mysterious person appeared online. Name: Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi created Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. Not to get rich, but to create money that banks cannot control. Bitcoin launched in 2009, first crypto transaction happened in 2010. First real-world purchase, 2 pizzas for 10,000 BTC. At that time, Bitcoin had no value. People laughed at it, people ignored it, people called it fake internet money. How cryptocurrency works. Let's say you send $100 to your friend using a bank. Bank checks it, bank approves it, bank records it, bank controls it, bank delays it, bank charges fees. Now with crypto, you send money. Blockchain verifies it, network approves it. Transaction completes no bank, no permission, no middleman. That's why crypto is called decentralized money. The internet changed communication. Social media changed influence. AI is changing jobs. Crypto is changing money. You don't need to invest today, but you must understand it. Because the future doesn't ask for permission, it replaces the old system. Crypto is already being used for international payments, digital contracts, NFTs, DeFi finance, gaming economies, online businesses, digital identity, Web3 systems. It's not future tech too, it's present tech. If you want to learn finance the smart way, not hype, not scams, not gambling, subscribe to the channel, because knowledge is the real wealth.